Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Abigail here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I apply my false lashes. Something that I've always gotten asked whenever I have gone out or done my full face of makeup is how do I apply my lashes? So I thought I would show you guys how I do mine today. The few things that you will be needing is your lashes, a pair of scissors, some tweezers, of course the lash glue, and I am using the Strip Lash adhesive, and then a toothpick. Yes, a toothpick. So first, we are going to take our set of lashes and very carefully with your tweezers pull it off. And it will be sticky from sticking to the package. So I always like to measure, since my eyes are always smaller than how long they give you, I always like to measure how much I need to cut off. So here they don't look too bad, so I'm just going to cut off, I think, 2 little sections. And now that I have it trimmed, I am going to apply the glue. This glue does come on white and it dries clear, so you won't be seeing it once you have all your makeup on. And I always like to add a little bit extra glue on the corners, just because once you blink and stuff, those are most likely the spots that are going to go first. So now that I have the glue on, I'm just going to blow on it for a few seconds just so that the drying process can start. And then I'm going to take my toothpick and have it in my other hand. And something that I know that has helped is having my eyeliner done and watching where the inner corner is, so I know where to stop with this so you don't have some hanging off or it poking into your eye. It gives you a little guideline. And then I pinch it in my thumb and pointer finger and I tilt it upward. And then I take the toothpick and I go in on the inner corner to make sure that it's sticking. Then I just press in all of the other areas just to make sure that it's on there good. And the hardest part is trying not to blink. And you can tell that it still has a little bit of the white glue of it drying, but that's okay. It will dry and you won't be able to see it. Now I'm going to take the other lash. Make sure if I need to cut any of it off. About two little sections as well. And then since it's trimmed, apply the glue. Blow on it a few times so it can dry. Tilt it upward again, just so that way you know it's going down and in right on top of your lashes instead of applying it straight on and them going straight out and not having that good curl to them. And that's what they look like. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember, when you are applying lashes and you're new at it, practice makes perfect. I think I tried at least twice a week for a month until I was able to put them on in a few seconds and be able to go instead of ruining your whole makeup because of your eyeshadow and eyeliner coming off once you've messed up, I would recommend starting with just no eyeshadow and just with the eyeliner on, and just keep practicing. You will eventually get the hang of it, and there's many other techniques that you can use. It might be easier for you to apply it with the tweezers instead of the toothpick, or there is a piece out there that is clamps onto it that helps you put it on as a newbie. It might just work out differently for you guys, but I hope this helped you be able to apply your lashes. And give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, and of course subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Bye!